Hello everyone. Today, we will be taking a look at how you can get started with Zoho Mail. Let's get into it. Zoho Mail allows you to set up an ad-free email for personal or business use. Whether you are running a business, managing an organization, or handling an e-commerce store, emailing is an essential part of operations. To get started, go to zoho.com/mail. From here, you can sign up for free. You can choose to sign up using Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter to make the process easier. For this tutorial, I will be signing up with my Google account. Zoho also offers two-factor authentication to enhance security and prevent unauthorized access. You can enable this for added security or skip it for now. Once you complete the setup process, Zoho will take you to the main dashboard. There are multiple plans available, including a free trial, and no credit card information is required. To start, we will select the mail-only features with a free trial. The first section involves domain setup. If you have an existing domain that you want to configure with Zoho Mail, you can do that here. Alternatively, you can purchase a new domain through Zoho. Click on Add to enter your domain details. After entering the domain, you will need to provide your organization name and industry type. For this example, I am selecting Retail and E-commerce. Next, click on Proceed to Domain Verification. This step ensures that the domain belongs to you. You can log into your DNS provider to configure it automatically or choose the manual setup option where you will enter DNS records yourself. The automatic method is quicker and easier, but both options are available. If you prefer, you can skip this step and go straight to the admin console, but setting it up now is recommended. After verifying your domain, you will need to create an email address. Choose the email format that best suits your business. For this example, I am setting up Jane Doe. Click Create to finalize the email address. If you have multiple users in your organization, you can add them here. You can invite people via email or manually create credentials for each user. For now, I am skipping this step and proceeding to Group Setup. Group Setup allows you to segment your contacts into specific groups. This is useful for email marketing, customer segmentation, or internal communication. You can create groups based on customers, suppliers, or specific teams within your organization. Once the groups are set up, you can configure DNS mapping. This can be done automatically, so you do not need to make manual changes. If you are migrating from another email provider, Zoho Mail offers a data migration tool. This helps you transfer emails, contacts, and other data seamlessly. Once the setup is complete, you will be taken to the admin console. This is where you manage all settings related to your email system. On your dashboard, you will see the email addresses assigned to your organization. You can also create a welcome email template, which will be sent to new users when they join your organization. If you are using Zoho Mail in combination with a CRM, you can customize this template for employees or customers. The user section allows you to invite new users. Click on Invite a user to add employees or team members to Zoho Mail. They will receive an invitation link to join. Next, you have the distribution list feature. This allows you to create email groups for different categories of recipients. For example, you can create a VIP customer list and specify which email address to use for sending messages. You can also define who is allowed to send emails to the group, ensuring that only authorized team members can communicate with specific lists. Zoho Mail also offers customizable email settings. You can configure email policies, routing, and security settings. Email routing ensures that messages are directed to the correct destination. To configure this, go to Mail Settings and select Configure Routing. Define the destination host and specify the inbound and outbound gateway settings. This allows you to control how emails are processed and delivered within your organization. Security and compliance settings are available for additional protection. You can enable two-factor authentication, restrict access to specific IP addresses, and monitor suspicious login activity. These settings help keep your email system secure. However, for now, we will focus on the core functionality of Zoho Mail. At the top right of the screen, you will see your Zoho Mail account settings. Here, you can customize the theme and adjust account preferences. Clicking on Zoho Mail opens the main email dashboard. From here, you can access emails, calendars, and tasks. To compose a new email, click on New Mail. Enter the recipient's email address, subject, and message content, then click Send. The calendar feature allows you to schedule events, meetings, and email campaigns. Click on New Event to add an appointment. You can set reminders, add participants, and integrate it with your email system. Notes and tasks help you stay organized. You can create notes to jot down ideas or use tasks to assign action items for follow-ups. At the bottom of the dashboard, you will find the Contact section. This stores all your email contacts, making it easier to send messages. You can import contacts from other platforms or add them manually. Now that you have completed the setup, you are ready to start using Zoho Mail. It is a powerful and efficient email platform that simplifies communication for individuals and businesses. And that's it. Thank you for watching.